There's a saying that many hands make light work. And as you can see, in hardly 25 minutes, we have managed to plant more than 50 trees. And this is an amazing job done and organized by the Nature Center as part of Wildlife for the Future. On this day, the International Day of the Forest. And planting trees bring out the best in human nature, because when animals, man and birds will derive benefit from it, it's charity for nature.
Preserving this pristine rainforest is really a duty for the Datai Langkawi as part of the Datai Pledge program. And during this International Forest Day, what a better exercise than to get our team and some of our guests to come and to plant trees that we have been nurturing in our nursery for the past year. So we are here in the middle of part of the jungle of the Datai. As you can see, planted a few trees with the hope that more organizations throughout the world are doing the same right as we speak. And preserving nature has never been so important, specifically since the last few years and for many years to come. So I'd like to thank all my team at the Datai Langkawi, as well as guests, for participating in this very important activity. Thank you.
Today is the International Day of Forests. What we did today was to get 30 people together, and we planted 60 trees in less than half an hour. The trees that we planted were Meranti and some Karuing, and this program of planting trees for today is called forest enrichment. Yeah? Some places need extra trees, so we just plant these trees in between other trees to enrich the forest and increase the biodiversity.